गोयच्या क्रिस्तांव समुदायाच्या वतीन गोयचे आर्चबिशप फिलिप नेरी फेर्राव हांच्यानी शेनवारा केंद्राक एक निवेदन जाहीर केला. बेगिना बेगीन आनी कसलीच अट दवरिनासतना नागरिकत्व दुरुस्ती कायदो रद्द करात आनी राष्ट्रीय नोंदणी अंमलबजावणी करपाचे टाळात अशें ह्या निवेदनान आसा म्हणपाचे फादर बेर्री कार्दोजन कळयला. RDX स्कोर ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The diocesan statement on the CAA, NRC and NPR. The ongoing expressions of widespread discontent and open protest taking place throughout the country and even abroad with regard to the recently passed Citizenship Amendment Act, as well as the proposed National Register of Citizens and the intended National Population Register, are causing great concern and anguish to millions of Indians spread throughout the globe. The protests demanding that the CAA be revoked immediately and that the countrywide NRC and the NPR be desisted from are on the increase. Eminent citizens, including top intellectuals and legal luminaries, have taken a studied and unequivocal stand against them. Here in Goa too, we have witnessed several protests which transcended the confines of religious and caste affiliation and have brought people from all walks of life together on one united platform. The Archbishop stated that it is observed sadly that these initiatives issuing forth from the government are forecasting a systematic erosion of the values, principles and rights which have been guaranteed to all citizens in our Constitution and which the citizens are called to protect and promote. The Christians in India have always been a peace-loving community and deeply committed to the ideals of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity enshrined in the Constitution of India. We have always taken great pride that our beloved country is secular, sovereign, socialist, pluralistic and democratic republic. The Archbishop further stated that the very fact that the CAA uses religion goes against the secular fabric of the country. It goes against the spirit and heritage of our land, which since times immemorial has been welcoming home to all, founded on the belief that the whole world is one big family. With regard to the NRC and the NPR, there is a serious concern that such exercises will result in direct victimization of the underprivileged classes. The Archbishop and the Catholic community of Goa would like to appeal to the government to listen to the voice of millions in India, to stop quashing the right to dissent, and above all, to immediately and unconditionally revoke the CAA and desist from implementing the NRC and the NPR.